Extend your workspace by using your iPad as a second Mac display. Here's how with Sidecar for macOS Catalina and iPad OS. We'll show you how to connect your devices and how to navigate and use basic controls. Before you start, you should be running macOS Catalina on your Mac and iPad OS on your iPad. Also, sign in to iCloud using the same Apple ID on both your iPad and your Mac, and make sure both devices have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Sidecar is compatible with Mac computers released in 2016 or later, and Apple Pencil-compatible iPad models. Now let's connect your devices. On your Mac, click the AirPlay icon in your menu bar. You can also automatically connect your Mac and iPad using a compatible cable, as long as your iPad is a trusted device. Once connected, the Sidecar icon will replace AirPlay in your Mac's menu bar. We're going to use our iPad as an extended display, but you can switch to a mirrored display by clicking the Sidecar icon. You can disconnect your devices here in the Sidecar menu as well. When Sidecar is active, you'll use your Mac trackpad or mouse to drag apps and documents over to the iPad display. You can also use your Apple Pencil to edit and mark up on your iPad. The sidebar on your iPad features an additional set of touch controls, which you can use to bring up your dock, keyboard, and more. You can tap the sidebar buttons with your finger or Apple Pencil. You can also quickly disconnect from Sidecar using the disconnect button. If the app you're working in has touch bar controls, you'll find a set of tools on the bottom of your iPad screen, even if your Mac does not have a touch bar. These tools will change depending on the app. Click or tap any of these buttons to activate that feature on your iPad. And that's how to get started with Sidecar. Now you'll have an extra display at the ready. For more productivity tips, subscribe to the Apple Support channel or click another video to keep watching.